people of Kenya, nice people of Kenya. This assembly has been attended by a lot of you because this issue of climate change is our issue. It's not the issue of the government. It's not the issue of the rich. It's more the issue of the poor. Because the impact of climate change is on us. It's difficult for us, poor people, to cope with this climate change. And if you see the changing climate, the extended droughts, the extended winter, all of these affect us. And we are the least who are responsible or who contributed much to this climate change. It is the industrialized countries, the developed countries, which produce a lot of gas emissions, the green gas emissions. But we are the one who will be greatly affected. So it's very important that our voices will be heard, not only in Africa, but in the whole world. And it's important, this meeting is very important because this will bring our voices to Copenhagen, where the governments are meeting. We are lucky that some NGOs and we in Africa, Kendren and even Africa, are represented in Copenhagen. Thank you very much, and I hope we'll be together to fight for our rights, to fight for our people, to fight for the poor. Thank you.
In Standard 7, I take this opportunity to thank IBON Africa, Kendren and RYP for giving me this opportunity to share with the whole world about climate change. Point number 1 is air pollution. This has been caused by emission of poisonous gases in the air. Example, smoke from the factory, vehicles, and burning tires, which produces a very dangerous carbon gas, which has led to causes of many respiratory problems to both human beings and animals. Air pollution has also led to the global warming, which has caused the damaging of the ozone layer, leading to excessive heat from the sun, reaching the ground. This may lead to diseases like skin cancer. Global warming has also caused increase in temperature, rise of tides causing hurricanes Katrina and tsunamis, which has caused loss of many lives in the past years. Point number 2, deforestation. This is the cutting down of natural forests, which led to the destruction of water catchment areas. A good example is my country, Kenya. Destruction of the Mau and Aberdare forests has led to lack of rainfall for many years until the natural rivers and lakes have all dried up completely, leading to drought and famine, which has become a day-to-day lifestyle. Point number 3 is desertification. Desertification. This is the removal of the topsoil by either water, wind, or animals. In many developing countries, especially Africa, like Sudan, Kenya, Chad, and North Africa countries. This is a major problem which causes drought and famine. Soil may be blown thousands of kilometers by strong winds. Soil from the Sahara is sometimes deposited as far north as Britain. Hard animals also destroys the forest cover, which feed on forest cover, leaving the soil bare, making the soil to be easily eroded. Therefore, I would urge the worldwide community to embark on use of organic and biodegradable materials in order to protect the ozone layer, and also to start recycling industries for plastic and electronics materials to conserve our environment worldwide. Thank you.
Asanteni sana.
Nangu Kennedy Chindi ama JJ jina utani. Mimi nafanya na RYP, Reality Tested Youth Program. Mimi ndio coordinator wa environment katika hii organization. Mimi ndio shughulika na mambo mazingira.
Huko Copenhagen unafaa kuwakilisha nini kabisa?
Kuwakilisha Copenhagen, tunafanya wakilisho zaidi ni mambo ya global warming. Itatulemea zaidi. Hata kwa sasa hivi tunaona mambo yote, shida hii yote tunaletewa ni juu ya sisi kupuuza kwetu na pia kupuuza kwa serikali. Ni pia sana mambo wanapeleka huko Copenhagen, ingefaa irudishwe huko mashinani huko. Juu watu wanaenda huko Copenhagen hawamizwi, hawakuwi affected na hiyo mambo climate change. Ni watu common men ambao wako grassroots ndio wanaafectiwa na climate change.
What I can say about climate change is that we need also to talk about the chemicals. Also, we have many factories. We have to reduce the chemicals and also to see whether we can look another way of indigenous tree, not to destroy them, because we have these trees that is not friendly with the environment. We need to maintain indigenous trees so that our environment can be clean. Take the people from Copenhagen also to cooperate also other stakeholders and also to let them contribute. Not only the rich people who are not affected with climate changes, they go to argue on behalf of the people who are affected. We think if we can come from the ground, it will be a good decision.
The year 2050 is not fit for human living. And then Americans, they are heading for Mars, because currently they are now trying to find out how they are going to get here by projecting algae plant to the space. I don't know whether they are going to leave this hut to the poor, because they want to explore the space up to the Mars. If they are the ones who are distracted the environment and they are heading for Mars, what will happen to the poor, the Africans and the rest, the Asians who are not society developed? So any expert might be what the Copenhagen is going to say. How long will the climate take to change? Because this is something about the universe. What God has already created has been distracted by the human activities. So if it has been distracted by human activities, so what sort of human activities will go to bring solution to the climate? Climate is something which is very important.